Uptown Waterloo is open for business, regardless of the construction, and we're going to mitigate those challenges as best we can as an association. The reality is, it is construction. I commonly say there's death tax in construction. Count on it. Festivals and events during the summertime especially are something that bring thousands and thousands of people to Uptown Waterloo. We have to adapt to a new situation with the ION and the LRT construction, which we're going to be doing. So our major festivals like Solstice Sampling, our Waterloo Busker Carnival, our Sunlight Financial Jazz Festival, they're all going to happen just as you, our guests, always expect them to happen. We will adapt them. They may be in a bit of a different location, but they'll always be in Uptown Waterloo and absolutely accessible. This is a game changer, an absolute game changer for Waterloo Region. ION is going to change the landscape of Waterloo Region, notwithstanding Uptown Waterloo, and we're actually looking forward to how it's going to look in Uptown Waterloo. The whole purpose of this is to increase public transportation. BIAs from across the province, notwithstanding the country, are envious of what's happening in Uptown Waterloo. So this is a game changer, bar none. There's going to be some challenges along the way, but we're looking forward to the end result.